Hi, this is Craig Dennis. Thank you for watching this video presentation of 2017 Ram 1500 Sport package. It's got park sensors in the front and rear. Beautiful, clean truck, tonneau cover. It's got a spray-in bed liner. It's got the all-weather floor mats too. It's got the tow package, the side steps. Give you a chance to look at all the panels. It's got the Hemi V8 engine in it too. This is a great truck. It's got remote start. Crew cab unit, so there's lots of room in the back. There's a fold flat floor. There's storage under the floor. Lots of great stuff. Even helps when you have smaller people, so their feet won't dangle and hit the ground, so it'll be kicking the back of your seat. So when you fold the floor back under, there's even additional storage in the floor for easy cleaning. My name's Craig Dennis. I'm at 724-288-4791. Leather seating. This unit's got navigation, lumbar control. Of course, it's got the backup camera, the tow package, and it's got park sensors. They're in the back and the front. Helps prevent any damage. You can tell this truck was not used very hard. Call or text 724-288-4791. I can answer any questions you have about equipment, availability, and pricing. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.